Hello students, let's start the new topic which is sales promotion. Till now you have studied about advertisement, its merit, demerits, about advertising agency. Now let's see what is sales promotion. Sales promotion is also one of the elements of the promotional mix. That means to promote the product or service, the producer or the service provider has to stimulate the customers to buy their products. In this age of competition, when every producer wants that only their product should be sold to the market, so sales promotion has become very important. The primary elements of the promotional mix are advertising, personal selling, direct marketing, and publicity. Sales promotion uses both media and non media marketing communications for a predetermined limited time to increase consumer demand, stimulate market demand, or improve product availability. Examples of sales promotion are like contests, coupons, freebies, loss leaders, points of purchase displays, premiums, prices, discounts, product samples, and rebates. Sales promotion can be directed at either the customer, sales staff, or distribution channel members, such as retailers, wholesalers, dealers, distributors. Sales promotion targeted at the consumer are called consumer sales promotion. Sales promotion targeted at retailers and wholesalers are called trade sales promotion or dealer sales promotion. Sales promotion includes several communications activities that attempt to provide added value or incentives to consumers, wholesalers, retailers, or other organizational customers t- to stimulate immediate sales. These efforts can attempt to stimulate product interest, trial, or purchase. Examples of devices used in sales promotion include coupons, samples, premiums, point of purchase displays, contests, rebates, and sweepstakes. Let's see now role of sales promotion or objectives of sales promotion. So every promotional campaign has a unique marketing role, but promotions are often used to turn short-term interest into long-term product loyalty. Sales promotions attract new customers, reward dedicated customers, and persuade occasional customers to buy. Marketing managers of a product with diminishing interest will run a sales promotion to keep the product in circulation. Meanwhile, promotions for higher end, more expensive products use sales promotions to convert consumers who typically make economical purchases. First objective is to increase customer awareness. Sometimes when new product is launched or any innovative product is launched, then sales promotion becomes very important. Like any new tool for agriculture, if it is invented, then advertisement will not help that much. And the target of the product is also not public at large. In that case, sales promotion will be more beneficial or run along the advertisement campaign, it will yield the most favorable results. So, their showroom display will be more effective as tools or such types of high-end products are required to be physically verified and told about the advantages and techniques used in that products. So to increase customer awareness, it is also done. Sometimes banks also put up their stalls on streets or shopping malls to increase any of their services, like opening a bank account or providing loans. So these are all targeted for customer awareness. Sometimes when new products or services are launched, then also it becomes necessary to promote sales through point of purchases. It is also required to increase the sales volume and revenue. It increases the popularity of the product. It brings personal contact with the customers, and in turn it increases the sales volume and revenue of the producer. It is also used to combat competition. When competitors are using advertisement and sales promotion techniques to promote their own products, then for other companies it becomes necessary to involve in same activities. So it is also used to combat competition. It also increases the customer loyalty and persuade them to purchase more of the company's product. So when discount is offered, then customers are persuaded to buy more of the product. It also stimulates demand in non-peak period. Some seasons are off seasons for some products like refrigerator or air conditioner or coolant machines are not sold much during the winter season. So at that time, those are offered at a lower price, which stimulates the customers to buy more of those products. So in lean season, it becomes necessary to promote sales through sales promotion techniques. So all these were roles of sales promotion. Now you may be confused between what is the difference between advertisement and sales promotion when objective of both are same. So let's see what are the distinction between sales promotion and advertising. So sales promotion is any personal activity to stimulate consumers to buy more or stimulate the dealer to sell more. Advertising is any paid form, but the most important point is that it is impersonal way of providing information. Like when advertisement comes on television, only not those customers who are potential see it, but everyone sees it. Sales promotion have short-term perspectives. They do not last for long. It pops up in some time and again it subsides. Whereas advertising is a continuously going activity. The aim of sales promotion is to increase immediate sales. That means when sale increasing is needed at any point of time, sales promotion technique is used. But advertising is used to build image of the producer and its product. The scope of sales promotion is narrow, like distributing free samples, coupons, contests, premium offers, displays, exhibitions, etc. are narrow methods of sales promotion and it has a limited reach. Whereas in advertising, the scope is wide. Newspaper, magazines, TV, radio, posters, films, and other media are used in advertising. Sales promotion are in non-recurring nature. Sales promotion is done by producer at some time and again it is wrapped up. But in case of advertising, it is regular and on a recurring basis. The emphasis of sales promotion is to supplement the advertising and personal selling campaigns. Along with advertisement, it can be used. But advertising informs, persuades, and reminds, attracts the customers towards the product. Thanks.